Hello students, today we are going to discuss the topic apomixis and polyembryony. It is the last topic of chapter 2nd of class 12 biology and that is very important. Always in your board exam mostly from this topic question come. So now what is apomixis? Apomixis, the meaning is formation of seed without fertilization. So we all are aware about that the seed that is the product of sexual reproduction, because by the fusion of the male and the female gamete there is the formation of the seed, and inside the seed embryo is also present, or we can say the endosperm is also present. But here this technique is different, because here it is the formation of the seed without fertilization, means there is the no need of fertilization, we can say, or there is the no need of male gamete. So if there is the no male gamete or no fertilization, so we can say it is a type of asexual reproduction, because only in asexual reproduction there is the no need of the male gamete, or we can say no need of fertilization. So apomixis, it is a type of asexual reproduction that mimics sexual reproduction. So why we are saying that it mimics sexual reproduction? Because here there is the formation of seed but without fertilization. So how this process can takes place? So we all are aware about that thing, that seed is formed by the you can say the double fertilization in ovule, because the ovule that give rise to seed. Seeds are the ripened ovule. But in case of apomixis, this technique occur that when the you can say the megaspore mother cell, so this megaspore mother cell, that is the diploid one, and by the meiosis there is the formation of the egg cell. But if in case of megaspore mother cell no meiosis occur and only by the mitosis division there is the formation of egg cell, and now this egg cell is not haploid but it is diploid, because meiosis not takes place in this megaspore mother cell. So क्या हो गया इसका? So from this megaspore mother cell there is the formation of the egg, and that egg is diploid, and without fertilization this egg develop into seed, and inside the seed embryo is there. Okay, so that is apomixis. Then second is the polyembryony. So what is the meaning of polyembryony? Means formation of more than one embryo in the ovule. So how this process can occur? So here it is the diagram of an ovule. So you can see that is the diagram of the ovule, and in the ovule in the center embryo sac is there. It is known as embryo sac. But this embryo sac fertilization takes place and there is the formation of the zygote. So and this zygote change into embryo. So that is the single embryo. But sometime what happen, some nucellus cells that also goes in the embryo sac and they also develop into the embryo, and these embryos are known as the nucellar embryo. And sometime this integument cells also goes inside the embryo sac and there is the formation of integumental embryo, we can say. So because integument cells and the nucellus cells both are diploid, so there is the formation of these diploid embryos. So we can see the multiple embryo in the embryo sac. So these are the nucellar cells. So when they go inside the embryo sac, so there is the formation of the multiple embryos. So one main embryo that is towards the micropylar end of the ovule, and other are the different embryos, and these are known as the polyembryony. It is known as polyembryony. So ovule that develop into seed, because seeds are the ripened ovule and there are the many embryos. So when we squeeze the seed of citrus, so we can find there are the many embryos inside the seed, and that is nothing but that is the example of polyembryony. So after that, how these apomixes that is beneficial for us, we can say. So if we compare the apomictic seeds and the hybrid seed, there is the one difference. Hybrid seeds means the seeds which have the, you can say, the characters of the two plants. So these are known as the hybrid seeds, and they increase the productivity in case of some plants like potato, tomato. But there is the one problem in case of hybrid seed, that every year we have to make the hybrid seeds, and the cost for making the hybrid seed that is also high, and every year we have to make the hybrid seeds, because if the one you can say seed is there, and after the germination when flower is formed, then there will be the pollination, cross pollination. So by this cross pollination, again there are the segregation of characters takes place, and that hybrid means, you can say, the purity of the character will not remain same in case of hybrid seeds. But in case of apomixes, because apomixes it is a type of asexual reproduction, so the characters not segregate in case of apomictic seed. So if we choose the apomictic seed, then there will be the no problem of the segregation of the character, and every year we can get the good result or good result. So we can say we have to choose the apomictic seeds as compared to the hybrid seeds. Okay, thank you.